Okay, the capable boys. That's where
the name came through, ne?
Yeah.
Do you feel like this relationship of yours is making an impact on the culture?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
For the culture.
Mm-hmm. It's for the culture.
I believe in the culture, man.
You guys have an event together, no?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Exclusive Fridays.
What really happens there? What happens there?
Oh, we play piano estate. You know, piano
Piano
vibe.
estate.
Yeah, piano vibe. One way. The hottest party.
The hottest party every Friday.
Hottest, not the normal one. Veki. Yeah.
So where does this party happen?
The private location.
The person give us it.
AKA Rudy event.
Oh.
In conference, yeah.
It's a conference center like what? Yeah. That place is beautiful.
Too much, bro.
So talking about these events like those, are they more gonna be like that since, or are you gonna get? What are they gonna be more bigger ones than that?
Watch out, man. Bikini parties are coming through. September, we're with you guys. We're with you.
Shout out. Yeah. I believe in the capable boys. I believe in the capable boys for sure. So, done about that.